Sadie here, and today I decided to show you a few apps that will help you with organization and productivity. No matter if you're a student at school, university, or you're working, these apps can make your day easier and your tasks as well. We all know that in school we have tons of notes to take, we have a lot of subjects, so technically taking the notes correctly and keeping them organized will help you study faster and actually finish your lessons faster. The same thing goes to work. We all know that in a world where everything is systemized or organized, we all find everything that we need better, no matter if it's in our computer, no matter if it's in our drawer, in our wardrobe. So let's see what these apps are. First, I'll start with a very popular app called Notion. I downloaded it for my phone, but you can also download it on your tablet. I'm gonna pop up my screen right here. So basically, this app is supposed to help you stay organized. You can do tasks, home personalized, you have journals, daily reminders. We all know that in school, no matter if you're high school specifically or university or any year of school, it can be stressful. You have so many lessons, so many tasks to do. You have to, for example, I'm gonna say it like this: take the dog to a vet, you have to water your plants, grocery shopping, write a 30-page essay which you haven't even started on. So many tasks. So if you turn on these notifications, it will give you a reminder of tasks. You have to do this, this, and this, so you don't forget. Of course, I have seen more students uploading it to their iPads and actually using it better on there because they have so many productivities. And yes, iPads and specifically tablets are great for taking notes nowadays, so you don't have to carry books. So if you have a chance, you can download it on your app, you can use it on your phone as well. It's still gonna help you stay organized and productive throughout the day. Next, we have Todoist. It's similar to Notion, but it's connected with your calendar. I'm gonna pop up my screen right here. So you can see, yes, it is similar. What this app is supposed to do is to help you create to-do lists, which you will follow day by day. Yes, there are people who put to-do lists for every single day. I have to wake up, brush my teeth, then fill some content, I have to study, I have to eat lunch, go out, edit, finish my homework from 3 days ago, or something like this. Literally from waking up to going to bed, people are doing to-do lists. So pretty much you can do to-do list exactly for this. Or when you're going grocery shopping, you just do a list with everything that you need to buy, so you occasionally won't forget editing. But pretty much Todoist is to help you stay organized by creating to-do lists for daily, weekly, monthly. You can have even different templates, so anything you need is in this app. Next, we have Microsoft Loop. I'm gonna pop up my screen again. All you need is a Microsoft account. If you already have one, just log in and start creating. It's another app which can help you organize. Just plan your ideas, think, plan, create, and save your ideas here. I have done some demo tests just to show you how this app works. Also, we have creative workspaces, so pretty much you can share your work with other people. Imagine that you have a big project and you're working for a company, you're in a team of 10 people, and you need to figure out ideas how you can finish this project, what to do to start it, to finish. You can save your ideas there, share them, they can add, your team members can add more ideas to it, so you can make it complete. So it's another app which can make you stay organized and focus on your work. Another app which can help you with productivity is Evernote. I'll pop up my screen. So pretty much it's like a combination of Notion, Todoist. Also, you can create notebooks, which reminds me of good notes as well. But pretty much, yes, you can create events, you can create your different notes, ideas. Again, I have done double text to show you how it works. So pretty much it can help you with productivity, with keeping everything you might do today or just any project that you have to do. Write them down so you can see how your progress is going. This is what the calendar is for. For example, you have a month to finish a project. You can just track every single day how much you have done for this project, how your progress is going. Yes, you might receive some awards as well. In the end, you can receive, yeah, I finished the project, I completed my goal. So everything from my list on Evernote is complete. But it's one of these apps which you can use to stay focused, productive, and organized. An app that I use every single day on my browser is Grammarly. I'm gonna pop up my screen right here. So pretty much what this app does is to correct your mistakes. It could be grammar, punctuational, it could be vocabulary, any types of mistakes. And there is a pro and a free plan. I'm using the free plan, so the difference is on the pro, it will tell you how exactly you should correct your mistake, what you should write instead of what you have already written. On the free version, you have to think of something to correct your own mistakes, but I do have to admit that it has helped me so much to improve my English. I started writing stories for one app but I use my browser for that. And I decided to install Grammarly to help me. When you 5 times make the same mistake, on the sixth time you will learn how to spell it correctly, or I should say to write it correctly. And I have to say that in amount of an year using Grammarly, or maybe even less, from level B1 on English, I went to C1 in no time. And it helped me improve it so much, and I believe that you can do it with every language. So yes, Grammarly, even if you use the free version, it can help you a lot to improve any language you're writing. Last but not least, we have Google Keep. I'm gonna pop my screen right here. If you already have a Google account, which you probably should, you just use it to log in and you start your journey. So this is a note-taking app, but it can also take reminders. You have voiceovers, you can customize them as well, add pictures. So it a little bit looks like Todoist, Notion, or any other app with few activities. You can search through all your notes. Imagine you have like 1,000 notes. You can just search the exact one which you needed. It could be a password that you saved. It could be someone's email which you couldn't remember, so you tapped it right here. You can add fonts to your notes to make them more colorful as well. You have archive. You can create reminders. You can check what you have moved to your trash bin if you want to get rid of some of your notes that you already have. And there's so many things that you can do. Of course, it's created by Google, so technically it adds to their Google platform of apps. And the good thing is that all you need is your profile, and you can start your journey with writing notes. Okay guys, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what is your favorite app to stay productive. Another app which I didn't mention is the Pomodoro method. So basically these are timers which can help you study or work divided by some times. For example, the one app that I'm using is divided 25 minutes working, studying, whatever you do, then you have a 5-minute break. When you do 4 cycles like this, it's 25 minutes to 15-minute break. It gets a little bit longer. Then you go another 4 cycles with 5-minute breaks, and like that, it keeps going. And I have to say that it also helps you out stay focused, because if you say that I'm gonna study for 3 hours, but you say, when these 3 hours are gonna pass, they're just so long, then you get decided like, okay, 25 minutes is more reachable goal, because 25 minutes compared to 3 hours, it's less like time, even though you study a few sessions of 25 minutes, and you can still make your 3 hours. But that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please smash that like button if you like this video, share with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell so you know if I whenever I post new videos, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.